Let me be very honest with you. If your LinkedIn profile is not optimized, then you don't exist for the recruiter, and this is the reality. Let me give you one example. If the recruiter needs some profile for the position of Java developer, so what they will do? They are going to go to the LinkedIn straight and type the keyword Java, microservice, AWS, whatever the skill they are looking for. So here's the real problem is that if your profile is not optimized with those keywords, you don't exist for the recruiter, and this is the reality. So in the last, I will share you one bonus tip that will really help you out to stand out as a unique candidate. Now let's understand that what are the things that you should keep in mind while optimize your LinkedIn profile. Let's start with the headline. So most of the people, what they do there, they are just going to mention their title. For example, software engineer at XYZ company, software engineer at ABC company. This is the way they are going to optimize their headline. But this is not the correct way. You have to keep in mind four things and you have to mention these four things. First is your role. For example, you are working as a backend developer, so you can mention backend developer. After that, you can mention the four skills. Any 3 to 4 skill you can mention, like Java, Spring Boot, AWS, microservice. Then go to the experience, like 6+ years experience. So these four things you can mention in your headlines. Now let's move to about section. In about section, what you can mention, you have to keep in mind four things. That is who you are, what problem you can solve, tools and technology that you have used, and last one, call to action. For example, I'm a backend developer, 6+ years of experience building scalable fintech system using Java and Spring Boot. I specialize in API, microservices and system optimization. I am open for backend role and challenging new project. Now let's move to the next section, that is the experience section. Here most of the people, what they do there, they are not going to mention the responsibility part. And if you are mentioning the responsibility part, they are just going to forget those important details that they achieve. They mentioned that build REST API used by 1 million users and improving responses by 30%. So you can mention in this way. Now let's move to the next section, that is skills and tools. I'm again repeating this sentence that LinkedIn search works by skills. So if skills are not listed in your LinkedIn profile, you don't exist for the recruiter. Just keep in mind this sentence. In this section, you can keep in mind three things, that is technical keywords, tools that you have used, and role specific term. These three things you have to mention in skills and tech tools. In this section, I would like to give you one pro tip, that is copy the job description that is suitable to your profile, find the keywords and paste in your LinkedIn profile. Next one is activity and consistency. You are active in your LinkedIn profile, so it will improve your visibility in front of the recruiters. So what you can do that, just like the post that someone has posted, or you can comment your thoughts, and you can also post something that is suitable to your profession. So this activity boosts your profile activity reach automatically to the recruiter. And at the last, I would like to give you one bonus tip, that is turn on open to work. If you are working and you don't want that your employer come to know that you are open for the opportunity, you can just click on that button that recruiter can only show. So only recruiter will come to know that you are open for the opportunity, not your employer. Second bonus tip is that just add certification and the license. Whatever certification you hold that is suitable to your industry knowledge, you can mention in your LinkedIn profile. And the last one is that customize your LinkedIn URL. So these small changes in your LinkedIn profile will create a big result. And if you found that this video will help you, please like and subscribe.